Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned greens taste homemade. First, drain and rinse your canned greens very well to wash away that metallic taste and extra sodium. Next, in a large pot, sauté some chopped onion and minced garlic until fragrant. Then, add a flavorful smoked meat, like a few slices of bacon or a small ham hock, and cook until browned. This creates a rich foundation for your greens. Now, let's build on that flavor. Pour in a splash of apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This acidity brightens the dish. For a subtle balance, add a small pinch of sugar or a dash of maple syrup. Finally, season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a hint of red pepper flakes for a gentle warmth. Taste as you go to get it just right. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, it's time to let the magic happen. Add about 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth to the greens, ensuring they are just covered. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for at least 30 minutes. This long simmer allows all the flavors to fully combine and tenderize the greens. Before serving, taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. Your homemade tasting canned greens are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot as a comforting side dish, perhaps alongside some warm cornbread or fluffy rice. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an added kick. These simple steps truly transform canned greens into a delicious, soulful dish. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.